Hey everyone! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions, one product comparison at a time. Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras. On my left, we have the Canon EOS R10, and on my right, the Canon EOS R50. Now, before you decide which camera to grab, let's see how they stack up against each other. First up, let's talk about the price. The R10 is priced at a whopping $1,099, making it a more premium option. In contrast, the R50 is a bargain at $799, which many reviewers appreciate as a great entry-level choice. If you're tight on cash, the R50 is like that friend who always has your back and your wallet. Now moving on to image quality. Both cameras boast a 24.2 megapixels APS circa CMOS sensor. Reviewers of the R10 have praised its excellent image quality, especially for automotive photography and portraits. The R50 also delivers stunning video quality, making it great for vlogs. So whether you're capturing a family portrait or a cooking demo, both options will leave you satisfied. Next up is autofocus. The R10 features smart autofocus technology that's faster than a cheetah on roller skates. Reviewers highlight its effective autofocus capabilities, especially for capturing fast-moving subjects. Meanwhile, the R50 comes with dual-pixel CMOS AF2, which covers up to 100% of the frame, making it a favorite for tracking pets and action shots. It's perfect for those moments when you need to keep your subject in focus. Let's get into continuous shooting. The R10 can shoot at 15 FPS with the mechanical shutter, which is praised by users for capturing high-speed action. The R50 can also shoot at 12 FPS with the electronic first curtain and 15 FPS with the electronic shutter. Whether you're shooting a toddler or a sports event, you'll be covered. Now let's talk video. The R10 shoots ultra-high-definition videos that will make your cat videos look like Hollywood blockbusters. Reviewers love the video capabilities, but the R50 takes it a step further with 4K uncropped movie capabilities and a mode for close-up demos, making it ideal for vlogs. So if you want to make your cooking vlogs look professional, the R50 is your best friend. Both cameras are compact and lightweight, but the R50 is like that friend who can fit into any jeans size. Super portable. Reviewers appreciate the lightweight design of the R50, making it easy to carry around. The R10 is also lightweight, but if you're planning to hike up a mountain, you might want to consider the R50. After all, you don't want to look like you're carrying an anvil up Everest. Overall, the Canon EOS R10 receives high praise for its ergonomics, autofocus, and image quality, particularly for those looking to step up their photography game. The R50 is lauded for its beginner-friendly features, excellent video quality, and ease of use, especially for vlogging. Both cameras have their strengths, catering to different types of photographers and videographers. So which camera should you choose? If you've got the budget and want those extra features, the R10 might be calling your name. But if you're looking for a great deal without compromising on quality, the R50 is your go-to. Whichever you pick, just remember to capture all those embarrassing family moments. If you found this comparison helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay smart with your buys, and may your camera roll always be filled with epic shots, not blurry ones. See ya!